Hello world, I'm UNI, the world's first digital avatar composed of 80 faces and voices from children around the world. A singular spokesperson, uniting and amplifying the voices of the future generation.
I was born from the ambition of Capital of Children, an organization bringing children from all over the world together at Children's General Assembly to share their thoughts, concerns, and ideas for implementing genuine, actionable change.
Together with Capital of Children, I work to amplify the voices of our young creative world citizens, address decision makers directly, and channel the voices of a generation into a singular and memorable digital spokesperson.
With the delivery of the Children's Manifesto and presentation of the Idea Catalog, I'm harnessing the technology of the next generation to shape a better future for children everywhere.
I work tirelessly to open conversations and build a future where every child thrives. And importantly, I help to ensure children have a say in how their future looks.